What's up everybody? Today we are making a chicken mackerel bowl using the Primal Kitchen barbecue ranch dressing. And to get started, we're just gonna take one sweet potato, we're gonna cut it in half, and we're gonna rub it down with about a tablespoon of Primal Kitchen avocado oil. We're gonna sprinkle about a half a teaspoon of salt on it. Place it on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake it at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. While that's baking, you're gonna take one chicken breast, slice it in half so you have two thinner pieces of chicken. Season it with salt and pepper on both sides. Then we're gonna heat up a cast iron skillet, add 1 tablespoon of Primal Kitchen avocado oil. We're gonna add our chicken pieces to the skillet. Leave the meat to sear on one side for 5 minutes. Turn the chicken pieces over and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Next, we're going to remove our chicken from the skillet and let it rest for at least 5 minutes. After the chicken's rested, you're going to cut it into bite-sized pieces. Next, we're going to put together a bowl. Fill it up with spinach, a 1/4 cup of cherry tomatoes, and half an avocado sliced up. Next, we're going to add our baked sweet potato, chicken, and then we're going to hit it with the barbecue ranch dressing. And finish it off with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. So thanks for watching everybody. If you want to pick up some barbecue ranch dressing for yourself, head on over to primalkitchen.com, use the code HELLO20 and you'll get yourself 20% off.